Oke, silakan teman-teman yang ingin bertanya, sebutkan nama dan asal media dari mana sebelum saya beri kesempatan untuk bertanya. Silakan. Ya.
Two question for Thomas Dol. Coach Thomas, I want to ask about your number one, Andritani Ardiasa. In the recent performance, he shows he is not very capable to perform sweeper keeper role. He cost 3 goals, I think. Do you have any concern about him? About his performance? Because Cahya is waiting, I think. Second question. Persija sent 3 players to national team under 24 in Asian Games and even many more players in the Asian Cup qualification before that. And PSSI plan to halt the league, to stop the league in April, so club can release all players. Do you have any opinion about that? To Rio Matsumura.
Wait a moment.
Oh, yeah.
Wait a moment. We will not forget everything.
Yeah.
I didn't understand nothing. How was the second part? In April. I don't speak about April. The first was our goalkeeper, right? Yeah. Yes. No, he's our captain, and sometimes in the last game we let him alone because when we play a little bit higher with the defender and the midfield player from opponent is with the face to our goal, we have to drop back, and this was not good in some games. So it was also in the last game was a long ball. And we were standing and waiting behind, and then it's always a 50-50 situation with the goalkeeper to come out or to stay a little bit higher. You cannot stay so much out from the box because somebody can also shoot the long ball from the midfield and then the goal is empty. So we can handle this better. Our defender also, because in this moment when we cannot pressing the opponent, when we cannot go defense forward, we have to drop back, that we make the space, we close the space to our own box earlier and not standing and looking when the ball is going and the winger is running. So that's why it's not always the mistake from the goalkeeper. Of course, he is the last man and then he is in a 1-1 situation. Maybe you are one step too late, but the problem starts before. So we don't must open the case where it's not necessary. He has a high standing in the team, and it's important that we defend better with the whole team. Last season we didn't receive so many goals, so tomorrow is important also that we play 0 behind, and then with our style of football, with our chances also, we can create also very good situations. So it's no question mark that we change now. We know Chaya is a very, very big talent. We have a really good goalkeeper. But sometimes, for the player, it's always easier to change player. Goalkeeper is not necessary now, and he has to wait for the chance. And one day, maybe will come, but not at the moment.
Jadi kata coach, kiper nomor 1 kita itu kapten, Andritani itu kapten. Jadi memang di contohnya pada terakhir dia itu tertinggal sendiri karena backnya semua kita itu pada maju naik ke atas bantu menyerang. Jadi lawan itu pasti siap menunggu dan mencari kembali menyerang balik. Jadi selalu ada kondisi 50-50 dan seperti itu. Dia pun Andritani juga nggak bisa keluar dari kotak penalti karena kalau misalkan ada kesempatan lawan pun bisa melakukan tendangan jarak jauh. Jadi ini kita harus antisipasi dengan hati-hati. Kita harus tutup space serangan lawan sebelum mereka menyerang dan juga dari serangan sayapnya dan pastilah kiper itu bisa jadi pemain yang disalahkan karena dia memang jadi pemain terakhir yang ada di depan gawang. Tapi sebenarnya itu bukan masalah, bukan dari kesalahan dari akan ditani karena masalahnya pun datang sebelum dari Aguilar itu sendiri, di mana kita melakukan kesalahan dari pemain tengahnya atau dari pemain belakangnya. Jadi itu bukan masalah dari kiper dan kata coach. Tapi untuk Cai sendiri dia itu punya talenta yang bagus sebenarnya, tapi bukan saat inilah saat ini untuk diturunkan. Kita ada waktu dan dia pasti akan mendapatkan kesempatan itu. Jadi memang kalau Coach bilang menjadi pemain mungkin lebih gampang pemain outfield, tapi untuk goalkeeper itu bukan hal yang
Terima kasih sudah menonton. Silakan subscribe, like, dan jangan lupa komen di bawah ya Bola Spotter.